How's it, guys? Welcome to the channel. Welcome to another tutorial. This time I'm gonna share with you how I made this AMAPIANO type beat in FL Studio using stock plugins, but the shakers I'm using a different plugin, and I will show you this is my secret sauce for making AMAPIANO shakers and percussion. Okay, let's listen to the beat first, then I will explain how I made this AMAPIANO type beat, this fire beat. Let's listen to the beat. Okay, so now let's go to the tutorial. Okay, the BPM I'm using 112, as you can see. So the secret sauce for shakers and percussion, I'm using this plugin. This GrooveMate 1 is a dope plugin. Okay, then let's start with the shakers. Okay, so the first preset I'm using is this offbeat shakers. I've played this pattern. Okay, then the next one I've just copied the same pattern and I've changed the preset. Okay, this is the pop standard, the default preset. You see the pattern is the same, but the preset is different. That's why it sounds different. Okay, let's listen how it sounds. Okay, let's listen how they sound both together. Easy. Then the next one, again the same plugin but different preset. Okay, one shot standard. Then I've played this another shaker. Okay, another one. Okay, I'm using this preset to play this clap. Okay, next one, I'm using another preset to play, I think it's another shake, another clap. What is this? What happened? Okay, I don't know. Okay, let's jump to the next one. Another preset, quarter fill shakers, and I've played these claps. Sorry, another clap. Okay, let's go for the last one in drums. Okay, this is another preset. I've played this shake. Okay, let's listen how the percussion sounds all together. Sorry, I'm really sorry, guys. Okay, so now let's go to the music. So the first one, for the melody, for the harmony, I'm using this ballerina preset from Citrus. I've played this melody, or I don't know how to call it. This is just F minor. F minor in these notes, okay? So next one, this preset, choir from Citrus again. I've copied the same melody, but at the second part I've just pitched it up 1 octave, okay? Let's listen how it sounds. Okay, it's the same as the first one. So let's go to the next one. I'm using this overtone percolate preset from Citrus. Then I've played this melody, these accents. Okay, next one. Don't have much time. So the next one is the same melody, the same accents, but different preset. This one is a choir. It sounds like this. Okay, next one, I'm using this preset, the default preset from Citrus, to play this. I don't know if this is a melody or okay. Okay, next one, I'm using this preset, the default preset. Then I've played this melody. Okay, very basic. Okay, now let's go to the log drum. The first one, I've tweaked a little bit. Then I've played this pattern. Okay, so the next log drum, I'll play this. I've tweaked a little bit, as you can see. Then I've played this. Okay, so then I've added this shake, this rises for the transition. Okay, that's it for the tutorial, guys. Thanks for watching. If you did enjoy, just consider subscribe and click the notification bell so that you don't lose any of my next content. Let's listen to the beat, and that's it for the tutorial.